Donald. Hi guys, this is Brandon Baby, and I'm unboxing a DVD Blu-ray, but you don't know what it is yet. Just kidding. But it's gonna be a surprise. Just kidding, you already know. Okay.
Can I try to open it? Yes, I got it open. Now, what is it?
I finally did it. Guess what it is? The Three Musketeers 10th Anniversary Edition. 10th Anniversary Edition. Blu-ray DVD, digital HD. Mickey, Donald, Goofy, The Three Musketeers. Cheers! Disney Movie Awards. All for fun and fun for all. Disney Blu-ray. This is awesome. Whoa. Mickey, Minnie. Whoa. This is cool. Bonus features. Sing-along songs. Whoa. This movie looks awesome. This is so cool. Cool. Oh, this is so hard to open.
This is gonna take forever to open.
Okay, finally I did it. Okay, it took forever to open. It took like an hour to open. Just kidding, it didn't really. But, oh yeah, Disney Movie Awards. They gave it to me for free because it's 1,000 points on Disney Movie Awards, and it's awesome. And they give a lot of free things. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Okay, this is cool. Disney Blu-ray. Disney. Mickey, Donald, Goofy, The Three Musketeers. Running time 68 minutes. Oh, the DVD. Oh my, did you see that? It fell off the... I hope it's not ruined. I don't think it is, but... Oh, here's the... code and awesome stuff. Whoa, that is awesome. Yeah. This is cool. This Blu-ray DVD is cool. You guys should get it for free on Disney Movie Awards, or you can buy it. The Three Musketeers. Oh look, and Disney Infinity, it has Donald, and Minnie Mouse, and Minnie Mouse right there. Of course it has them. That's cool. Well, thanks guys for watching. This has been Brandon BDB, and see ya! Please like and subscribe, and see ya! And I'm doing a lot of unboxing videos so much, I can't believe it. Bye.